Alright, we have the 2006 Buick LUCERNE. And the issue with this vehicle is it's not start. When you turn the ignition on, you get the check engine light doesn't come on, you get nothing. Now, I already been through it all, tested out. Now they found the problem, and the problem was this relay here. The R6 is the run crank relay, and this is crank relay for the starter. These two relays are not getting ground. When I ground them out, put ground to it, the vehicle start up and run. So there's a bad ground for the box, come from the box from these two relays. So when I follow the wiring diagram, the ground should be somewhere over on that side, on the front, on the front of the driver's side, somewhere in the back there. So anybody having any issues with an 06 Buick LUCERNE, won't start, no check engine light, check it out. Check it. Bad ground for this relay here, R6 run crank and the crank. I put ground to them, vehicle start up.